Understanding, it's as clear as day. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere. It's as clear as day. This expression is quite vivid and carries a lot of meaning, so we're going to break it down for you, ensuring that by the end of this video, its meaning will be, well, as clear as day. The phrase, "it's as clear as day," is a simile that is used to describe something that is very obvious or easy to understand. The comparison here is with the clarity and brightness of daylight, implying that there is no doubt or difficulty in seeing or understanding something. When someone uses this phrase, they mean that a fact, situation, or explanation is so clear that there can be no confusion about it, just as there's typically no difficulty in seeing things during the day. While the exact origin of "it's as clear as day" is not definitively traced, it's rooted in the universal experience of daylight bringing clarity and visibility. This expression is part of a long tradition in many languages of using natural phenomena to describe human experiences or qualities. The phrase captures the common understanding that daylight dispels shadows and uncertainties, offering a metaphor for clear and unmistakable understanding. Using "it's as clear as day" is quite straightforward. It can be employed in both formal and informal contexts, although it tends more towards informal usage. Here are a few examples to show how you can use it in sentences. After the explanation, the solution was as clear as day. The evidence against the suspect was as clear as day, leaving no doubt of his guilt. Once you see the diagram, everything becomes as clear as day. It's a great phrase to convey conviction and clarity in your statements. English is rich with expressions of clarity and understanding. Here are a few similar ones. Crystal clear. This means absolutely clear, with no confusion or ambiguity. Plain as day. Very similar to "as clear as day," emphasizing obviousness. Evident. This word is more formal but also indicates that something is clear and obvious. Understanding these can enrich your expression and help you find the right phrase for the right context. And there you have it. The phrase, "it's as clear as day," is a colorful way to express that something is very obvious or easy to understand, drawing on the universal experience of daylight's clarity. We hope this explanation has made the meaning and usage of the phrase as clear as day to you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning tips. See you in the next video.